Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, before starting this lesson, just we will understand the name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? This is the third lesson and name of the lesson is the Bengal Seller. Yes, here before starting this lesson, we will understand warm up. Yes, here is the warm up and question is asked here, which is your favorite toy? Okay, so what is the answer of this? Which is your favorite toy? So dear students, that you have to comment me which is your favorite toy. Here is a story about a little girl of the same age of you. What we are going to understand? A story about a little girl of our same age. Read it to find out how she lost her new doll and how she got it back. She tells the story herself, and in this story, girl herself is going to share a story with us. Yes. Now let's read. We will start with the story. I was playing with my doll when I heard a voice sing, "Bangles, bangles, little girls, come and see, I have brought bangles for you." The girl, she was playing with her doll and she has heard a voice sing that, "Bangles, bangles, little girls, come and see, I have brought bangles for you." And bangle seller was calling to the girls that, "Come here, I have bought bangles for you." I ran to the window and saw a bangle seller with a basket on his head. And girl ran to the window and she had seen the bangle seller was there and basket was on his head. He saw me and said, "Come, little girl, come and buy some bangles." And bangle seller called to that girl and he told, "Come, little girl, come and buy some bangles." "I would like to buy some," I replied. And girl told, "I would also like to buy some bangles, but I can't because my mother is not at home." And she told, "I want to buy bangles, but I can't because my mother, she is not at home. Who will give me money and who will pay for my money? Choose and come and choose something you like. I will take the money some other day." Bangle seller told, "Come here, choose some bangles for you. I will take money of bangles some other day." I thought for a while and went down. And girl thought herself and she went down. The bangle seller asked with a pleasant smile, "Child, which color do you like the best?" And bangle seller, he has asked to the girl with a pleasant smile that, and he asked, "Child, which color do you like the best?" She said, orange, and selected some bangles for herself. The bangle seller helped me wear them, and the bangle seller helped the girl to wear the bangles. By then, my mother arrived, and so she paid for the bangles. And at that moment, the girl's mother, she arrived there and she has paid for the bangles. After a few days, my uncle bought a beautiful doll for me. And after a few days, what had happened? Her uncle, he bought a beautiful doll for her. I was thrilled and I told my mother, Mummy, I want to buy bangles for my doll also. And see, she was very excited, she was very happy, and she told to her mother that, Mummy, I want to buy some bangles for my doll. My mother said, Yes, darling, you can buy some. And mother was also agree. Mother told, Yes, you can buy some bangles for your doll also. Let the bangle seller come. Okay, and she was waiting for the bangle seller. The next day I heard the familiar song again. And next day what happened? She has heard the familiar song, Bangles, bangles, girl, come and buy my bangles. And she was telling, the bangle seller was telling, Bangles, bangles, girls, come and buy my bangles. I rushed down with my doll and called the bangle seller. And she rushed down and she has called to whom? Bangle seller. He came with his basket and bangle seller came with his basket. Which one do you want? He asked. And he asked, which one bangle do you want? Give me some nice bangles for my doll. And she asked, give me some nice bangle for my doll. I said, showing him my doll. And she had showed her doll to bangle seller. He chose red bangles for my doll. And bangle seller, he only chose red bangles for her doll. Then he looked at the doll and said, what had happened? He looked at the doll and said, you have got very beautiful doll. And he said that you got very beautiful doll. Yes, it is. She also told, yes, this doll is very beautiful. My daughter would also love to have such a pretty doll. Bangle seller told, I have daughter and she also loved to have such a pretty doll. Oh, you have a daughter. Now see, little girl is asking, oh, you have a daughter. Yes, almost your age. And she is telling, yes, my daughter is also almost of your age. Doesn't she have any dolls? And she is asking, doesn't she have any dolls? No, bangle seller is said, no. Don't worry, I will ask uncle to buy doll for her. And she is telling, don't worry, I will ask my uncle to buy a doll for her. How much do I have to pay for the bangles? And she told, for the doll's bangle, how much money I have to pay? 10 rupees. He said, 10 rupees. Please look after my doll, I will bring the money. And girl said, look after my doll, I will bring money. Yes? I rushed to get the money from my mother. And she went there, she ran to get the money from her mother. But when I came back, the bangle seller had disappeared with my doll. And when she came back, when she took money with her, the bangle seller, he was also not there and the doll was also not there. My doll, oh my doll, she said, she cried, oh my doll, my doll. She screamed and ran to my mother and she has ran to her mother. Mummy, the bangle seller has taken my doll away, my new doll. And girl was crying. She was telling to her mother, Mummy, bangle seller has taken my doll. It was my new doll. The bangle seller, why did you give it to him? And mummy told, bangle seller, why you give your doll to him? She said and rushed out to look for the bangle seller. And rushed out to see bangle seller. Now the girl was crying. Tears were rolled down on her cheek. Girl was crying, and the tears were rolled down on her cheeks. Even her mother consoled to her, and she has warned the neighbors to be careful from the bangle seller. That night I sobbed myself, and that night girl she could not sleep herself. I woke up early the next morning, and the next morning she has woke early in the morning. As I sat beside the window, I noticed a man walking towards our house, and she was sitting beside the window, and she has seen, yes, the man who was walking towards her house. With him was a little girl, and with that man, a little girl was also there. The man stopped, and the man stopped at their home. He said something to the girl, and he had said something to that girl, and handed over a packet to her. And the man he had handed over packet to her. Packed in hand, the girl tiptoed towards our gate. The girl she came there, and she tiptoed towards their gate. Hurriedly, I went downstairs and asked the girl, "Who are you? What do you want?" And the girl, hurriedly, she came down, and to that girl she asked, "Who are you and what do you want?" Let's see what the girl wanted. The girl quietly opened the packet, and there was my doll. And girl, she was having packet in her hand. She has opened it, and there was the doll. "Oh, it's my doll. Where did you find it?" And she asked, "No, where did you find this is my doll?" She spoke as if she had not heard me. "Take your doll back," girl told. "Take your doll back. The man standing over there is my father, the bangle seller." And she told, "The man who is with me, he is the bangle seller. I was surprised when he brought me such an expensive doll." And the girl was telling, Lata was telling, "I was surprised that when he brought me such an expensive doll." See here, you can see the picture also. I couldn't say a thing. Soon the bangle seller stepped forward and said in a low voice, "Child, please take your doll back." See, soon the bangle seller, he came forward and he said to the girl, "Child, please take back your doll. I took it for my daughter Lata." And he is telling bangle seller, "I took the doll for my daughter Lata. She refused to accept it when she heard I had stolen it." And Lata, she refused to take this doll when she heard that I have stolen the doll. I grabbed the doll and clasped it in my arms. And she has grabbed the doll and she has held it tight in her arms. "Thank you, Lata. I will always remember you." And girl has thanks to Lata, and she told Lata, "I will always remember you." My mother came hurrying down, and her mother very hurriedly she came down. When she heard the story, she said, "Here's some money, bangle seller. Buy a doll for your daughter." And girl's mother has given some money to bangle seller and told, "Here is some money. You can buy a new doll for your daughter." As they went out of the gate, and they went out of the gate, Lata turned back and smiled. Lata, bangle seller girl, she has turned back and she has smiled. I waved to her and she waved back, and they both waved at each other. Dear student, this story is very nice. If you see, I am giving you in the description box the exercise of this lesson. Yes, to get more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.